Many years ago, a friend of mine was going through severe financial problems. Her money just wasn't going far, it wasn't flowing, things just weren't working out for her. First, I had to work on things here, right? With affirmations, decrees, and so on, because it's very important. I can give you endless tips. I can give you endless recipes. You could have a collection, the best collection of crystals in the world, the best bells in the universe, the best singing bowls, the best recipes. But if you don't have a positive mental attitude, my love, even if you have the best ingredients to cook the best meals, they won't turn out right, sweetie, because it's all up here. We are mind, we are positive mind. If something negative happens to you in life, you had to experience it. It's growth for your knowledge. I invite you to do all the tips I share with you, of course, the ones meant for you, with a positive mental attitude, trusting that you can achieve it. They're tools, they're accessories. The most important thing is your positive mindset. Do it with a positive mindset. Do it with confidence. Look, it's not like it was gonna hurt you. No, it's not gonna hurt you. That is definitive. But it will definitely do you good. You'll see. I suggest this recipe. Oh, I was telling you about my friend. My friend, well, she was like, no, but how am I gonna do that? I'm gonna go to hell. Which one? What hell? Are you carrying hell in your mind or what? Look, I'm very clear on this. If your mind is constantly thinking about tragedies, mediocrity, I'm not capable, and what I'm doing shouldn't be, it's not right, then you're already in a bad place. Don't even do it, my lovely sweetheart. This won't do absolutely anything for you. It's like when we sweep, mop, and dust the house, wash our clothes, and bathe our pets, or bathe ourselves. Is that bad? Or putting on perfume or lotion? Or is it terrible to use a computer or the blender? Oh no, you shouldn't. If our ancestors came back to life, they'd be scared and say, oh, what are you doing? How am I seeing you on a phone? Well, obviously. Listen, even and I'm just a kid, the phone we had in my house was attached to the wall. Few people in the neighborhood had one. Oh, that's not true. Well, this friend made the recipe, this one. I told her, do it, man. Do it with confidence. Do it with faith. Trust in your mind. What the Colorines, machos, and the jar of water will do is simply harmonize the environments of your home and, of course, your own. It's like when you sleep and clean your house, which was super dirty, and you clean it and tidy it up and it smells super clean. You can feel it. The atmosphere changes, right? When we move something to one side and then we put it on the other, the atmosphere changes. This is the same thing. And this friend of mine, well, she became a promoter of all my things. And I love the idea because the idea is to share it with you. Tips, practical, simple, economical recipes that give you good results. We are gonna need Colorines, machos. How strange. Why aren't there females or what? Well, I don't know, but that's what they're called. They're like little beans. Can I take them out, son? Yeah? Look, I'm gonna show them to you. Oh, it has the price tag on this. I never took it off. Look, how many are you gonna put in? Well, as many as you muffet. I wanted to put in 6, but you can put in 3, whatever you want to put in. And a jar. We are gonna need the Colorines machos, which you can buy anywhere. Honestly, they are super cheap. Everything I'm putting here on the table for you, everything is super affordable. Super, super affordable, huh? Colorines machos and a glass jar or a glass cup, a container. We need it to be glass. Okay. During new moon or during a waxing moon, I'm gonna stand in front of a mirror and I'm gonna speak very nicely. First, I'm gonna speak to myself with love, with affection, and I'm gonna say, I am light, strength, abundance, prosperity. Money goes far in my life. Money increases in my life. Money flows in my life. After I said all that, I come, I take my Colorines machos, I charge them with my energy. You are charging them with your energy. And we are gonna put them in new moon or during a waxing moon in our little glass jar or a little glass cup, and we let them go. It didn't want to go in, and we leave it there. Besides, it looks cute, right? We are going to place it. I always ask for it to be in the food area. Why the food area? Because there are 3 areas of the house that you have to take great care of: the kitchen, the bathroom, and the bedroom. But since we are talking here about increasing and having our financial income flow, we place it in the food area, in the kitchen. It can be on top on top of the refrigerator or on top of your shelves where you have your you have to see them, that's for sure. You have to be seeing them. You have to know they're there. Mind you, up high, not low, not as a centerpiece. No, no. High up. What for? So that your income increases and flows. Now then, we are not going to change the colorful items for any reason. They are not to be changed for the moment. The only way I'm going to change the colorful items is if they exploded. What does it mean that they exploded? That the water turned completely red. If the water turns red immediately, that's great. Give yourself a round of applause. Because all the negativity in the environment, the characteristic that water has and its properties, among thousands of others, is to absorb the negativity that is in the environment. The only thing we do is throw out the colorful items, dump the water, put in fresh water, and add more colorful items. If your colorful items are still fine, change the water every week. Change the water every week. Put in your calendar which new moon or which waxing moon you started them on, so that on the next new moon or waxing moon, you can put in new colorful items again. The previous ones, well, you simply discard them and that's it. If you have any questions, you already know. Send us an email.